Hello everyone, I'm Ondřej Mirtes, and 2.5 years ago I created PHPStan, which quickly became a popular tool for finding bugs in your source code. How does it work? It leverages all the type information that you spread throughout your code. Parameter types, return type hints, all the different PHP docs, and uses them to tell you that you're calling an undefined method, that you're passing wrong type to a function, that this condition will always be true or false because you're asking something obvious, and much more. For example, the PHPStan Doctrine ORM extension allows you to validate all the DQL queries in your code at once for parse errors or unknown entity fields. I'll be hosting workshops at PHP Serbia and Longhorn PHP this May, where I will show the attendees how to get from 0 to 100 with PHPStan and take advantage of the most advanced features. You will also learn how to write custom rules and other types of extensions. When implementing custom rules, you have two things at hand: AST representation of your source code and all the type information in the scope object, which will also tell you where you are, in which class and method or function. You can either implement rules with general usefulness, say for example you got burned by comparing datetimes with equal operator. You can write a few lines of code that will report all the code that does this. You can also implement rules that are specific to your company's codebase. If you find yourself doing the same mistakes over and over again in code review, and these mistakes can be prevented with static analysis, you can save yourself time by implementing them as PHPStan rules. One such example might be an object that's not supposed to be created with new operator directly, but instead through a specialized factory class. While this cannot be achieved with PHP itself, you can easily write a PHPStan rule that checks for this situation. I believe that PHPStan should be in every PHP developer's toolbelt, and I love working on it. If you're planning to attend PHP Serbia or Longhorn PHP, you should come to my workshop and learn what PHPStan can do for you too.